Chineke chewe gị ma nwa ọ dịla gị mma ahụ dara nne gị ọ ga-awụrụ gị n'aha Jizọs. Amen.
Hello guys, so I'm just coming from their house. I interviewed the brother and the sister. I couldn't see the father, and according to what they told me behind the scene, they took the girl to Wuri. Just a day after the burial. After the burial, they took the girl and one of her siblings. They took them to Wuri. An aunt came and took them to Wuri. So we couldn't meet her, but we interviewed with the brother. We spoke with the brother and the sister. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, can you tell us your name?
Oliver.
Oliver who?
Okugo.
Oliver Okugo. Chidera Okugo. Few months back, somebody was buried in the family. Can you tell us?
That is my mom.
That's your mother. What's her name?
Blessing Okugo.
Blessing Okugo. I can see that two of your siblings are not here.
Yeah.
Most especially the girl.
Yeah.
The last one. She's the last one, Abi?
Yes.
Can you tell us her name?
Munachi
Okugo.
Munachi.
Okay, and why is she not around?
When my mom died, my mom's sister carried her and go their side.
Okay, they took her to her side, which is in Owerri. Okay, they took her to Owerri, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. So after the burial, how has the living condition? Your living condition, how has it been? Have you found it easy? Just tell us about your. Are you finding everything easy?
It's not easy.
What they're saying is that it has not been easy since is your dad alive?
Yeah.
Okay, he's alive and he's around.
No, it's not.
Okay, it's not around there. Yeah. Okay. So I uploaded a video of a clip of that particular burial where your last born was praying for your mom. She was kind of bidding farewell to her.
Chineke chewe gị ma nwa ọ dịla gị mma ahụ dara nne gị ọ ga-awụrụ gị n'aha Jizọs. Amen.
So a lot of people saw the video, liked the video. Some of them even said that they cried while watching the video. So they indicated interest that they want to help the girl. So I just want you to, I want to ask, do you have any account number, any bank details where they can send the?
Yeah, I have account.
Okay, if you have, just call it.
16 25 82 32 61.
Again.
16 25 82 32 61.
Which bank?
Access Bank.
Access Bank. What's the name?
Oliver Chigozie Okugo.
Oliver Chigozie Okugo. Okay, some people indicated interest and they said they want to help the lady, so they might be sending money into this account to help maybe in her school, in her education, whatever she decides to do. You and your father and her decide to do with the money. There's something I forgot to ask. What's the name of which village? What's the name of this village? Oloke in which local government?
Ikwana.
Okay, Ikwana in Abia State. Okay, I'm just asking for the sake of the viewer so that they will know where you are from. So they said that they are from Oloko, which is in Ikwana local government of Abia State, Nigeria. So you guys asked for their contacts, so that's why I'm here. I'm currently in their house, but it's unfortunate that the girl in question is not around. But these are her brother and her sister, and you can see they have already dropped their account details. So this is for those that want to help the girl. You can pay directly into this account number. His senior brother just called now. Can you repeat that? Okay. Access Bank.
Access Bank.
With the name.
Chigozie Oliver Guru.
Chigozie Oliver Oku. So before we go, I would like you to take us to the place where your mom was buried.
Okay.
Where was she buried? Okay, this is the place they buried the woman, and I think that prayer was
Yeah.
Okay. So this is where that girl made that prayer, where she prayed for her mother before they did her to rest. So, ladies and gentlemen, I've just done the interview. I've interviewed the brother and the sister, and I'm at the house, and I've visited the place where they buried the lady. So, in case you want to transfer, so you want to help them, you already have the account number where you will do the transfer. Please, I will advise, just help them. They're not finding it easy since they lost their mother, and it's like their mother was the breadwinner of the family. So just in any way you can assist them, just assist this family. Thank you.